Hi, this is Linda with Traveling Flamingo. When on a cruise, I like to try all the included food, and Royal Caribbean has a lot of included dining options to choose from. How do you decide which ones to try? Burrito on the Lido? Yes, please. We're going to tell you everything you need to know about Loco Fresh, so you know what to expect and if you'd like to try this restaurant. All that and more coming right up. Let's start with the atmosphere and theming. El Loco Fresh is a Mexican restaurant with lots of bright colors, table seating, and views of the water. It's a buffet or quick service type restaurant, so you can go to the counter and choose the food you want and then find a table or take it back to your lounge chair to enjoy by the pool. I like the plants and the atmosphere they have at the entrance. The colors and theming gives the restaurant a great casual atmosphere and perfect for grabbing a snack during the day. You don't need to wait for the buffet to serve Mexican food. It's Taco Tuesday every day. Before we get into the location and menu, I just want to pop in here to thank everyone who has liked and subscribed to our channel and say we have tons of cruising videos about port tours like Nassau and what to expect for a perfect day at Coco Cay, and cruise ship tours like the Odyssey of the Seas. So when this video is done, please be sure to check out our channel. Thank you. Now on to the location. El Loco Fresh will be in a different location depending on the ship. For example, on the Odyssey of the Seas, it's right on the main pool deck near the kids' splashaway bay. Being right on the pool deck makes it a great poolside snack. However, on the Wonder of the Seas, El Loco Fresh is one deck up near the sports court and mini putt course. This makes it a good grab-and-go spot for lunch before heading out to a sports challenge. It's also perfect for afternoon snacks while you're exploring the ship. Regardless, be sure to check your Royal Caribbean app so you know where it's located. Right now, El Loco Fresh is on 7 Royal Caribbean ships, including the Oasis of the Seas, Navigator of the Seas, the Symphony, Freedom, Liberty, Odyssey, and Wonder of the Seas. Onto the menu. On our sailing, they were not serving breakfast, so be sure, again, check that Royal Caribbean app. It's going to have all your information, because if they're serving breakfast, you might want to try one of those breakfast burritos. They were serving lunch from noon until 6, and this was a very popular lunch and poolside snack location. They serve Mexican staples like tacos, burritos, nachos, and cheese, and quesadillas. The tacos they put together fresh for you, and in the middle of the restaurant there's a big topping station. While we were sailing, there were still crew members serving the toppings, but you could ask for as much as you want and go back for anything. I am a huge Mexican food fan, and we don't get it too often at home, so when I heard El Loco Fresh was on our ship and included, I expected to be visiting there a lot. On the second day of our sailing, we'd worked up an appetite after trying the Flow Rider, and we decided to hit up El Loco Fresh. Between the two of us, I'm not gonna lie, we tried everything. The tacos, quesadilla, burrito, chili nachos, and nachos and cheese. There was a long line to get in as it had just opened and the seating area was packed. We were able to find a seat to enjoy our lunch. I thought the chili on the nachos was really nice, but the cheese didn't quite have all the flavor that I would expect in that kind of nacho cheese. I thought the chili on the nachos was really nice, but the cheese didn't have all the flavor, and I was a little disappointed because I really like nachos and cheese and expected a bit more from that. The burrito was pretty fresh, and there was a good amount of cheese in the quesadilla. It is nice that there is a Coke Freestyle machine right there to fill your cups if you have a soda or drink package. There's also ice and water. You gotta make sure you stay hydrated in the Caribbean. So in terms of value and price, it is included in your cruise fare, and there is a small selection of typical Mexican dishes. We really did give it a good try, but being how busy it was and there was not a lot of seating, we actually didn't go there a lot. If you've ever been on Royal Caribbean cruises, you might be aware of the seat saving situation. So it's not like we could have even taken our food from the dining area at El Loco and found a seat by the pool to enjoy it. So I only actually ended up going back there one other time on our trip. That being said, I would definitely give them a try for breakfast if they're open on our next sailing. One of the big benefits of El Loco Fresh is it is on the pool deck and casual. You can go right from the pool to nachos. This makes it super convenient for grabbing a poolside snack. If you're looking for air conditioning or a more sit-down table experience, then there are other restaurants on board for that. Have you ever dined at El Loco Fresh before? Is it your favorite cruise ship Mexican food? Where do you like to get lunch on sea days? Let us know in the comments below. We love chatting with you and hearing your ideas and opinions. Also, if you're interested, we've got some new merch we've got. Some of those t-shirts are really fun, so be sure to check them out. The link will be below. Also, if you want some more of our content, we've got a new Disney and theme parks channel called Flamingos in Wonderland that you might want to check out. Remember, memories are forever, so make them fabulous. Thanks again for watching, and happy travels.